Welcome to our YouTube video on drawing revision. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what drawing revision means in engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? A drawing revision is an updated version of an engineering drawing that reflects changes, corrections, or improvements to ensure the documentation matches the current design requirements. Think of a drawing revision like updating the blueprint of a house when changes are made. The new version replaces the old one so everyone works with the correct plan. So, why is it so important to understand what a drawing revision is? Because it ensures that engineers, manufacturers, and suppliers are always aligned with the latest design. Understanding drawing revisions prevents errors, reduces waste, and guarantees product accuracy and compliance. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.